Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to talk to you about one of my Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolor travel sets. Though many professionals use Cotman watercolors, they are really intended as a student grade or studio grade. The student grade watercolors have less pigment concentrations. They also may use a combination of pigments to create a tone rather than a single pigment as the professional watercolor sets. But the light fastness of the colors is not necessarily reduced, which is one of the reasons why professionals use it. Some of the colors are practically the same, particularly the earth tones. As you may know, professional watercolors come in series. When you buy different tubes, some tubes may be a series 1 and some may be series 7 or whatever, depending on the cost of the pigment that they use to create the paint. This set comes with a small blue water bottle, but since I'm painting in the studio, I didn't use it. However, it is one of the main attractions of a travel set like this one. It is perfect for urban sketching, or just to carry around with you wherever you go in case you find inspiration somewhere. I forgot to press record when I started this little painting. I'm sorry about that. But I wanted you to see how vivid the colors can be with the Cotman watercolor travel set. I like to clean my palette when I finish a painting so that I'm not tempted to reuse the muddy colors on my next painting.
Thank you for watching Arts57.com. We appreciate your visit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel now. Ring the bell to stay informed of future uploads. Don't forget to like the video and comment below if you have questions. Until next time.